Madre. Come Shanag. Hey guys, so I wanted to make our evening snack of barbecue chicken wings and I decided to share. So this is all rush, hurry. The other day I shared it in my YouTube story and some of you were asking me about the recipe. It's not a recipe I make from scratch. I'll show you how I make it. Come closer. I use this barbecue seasoning. I bought it from the shops. If you live in Spain, they sell it in Mercadona. So it has a lot of ingredients. It has a direction here of how to do it. It says put it in a bag. This thing comes with a bag. I want you to see me. That's the bag. And then the instruction says just put the chicken wings in the bag. This is chicken wings I'm going to use. They put the number of kilos. They said 800 grams to 1.2 kilos of chicken wings can go with one packet of this. So just put it in a bag and then close it. But before that, let me read the ingredients to you so that if you want, this is how it should look like when you're done. Isn't it appetizing? Yeah, the other day I made it for our picnic and you guys were asking for the recipe. Here they said ingredients: onions, pepper, ginger, garlic, another pepper like black pepper, parsley, cilantro, salt, sugar. You see what I always talk about? Pre-prepared ingredients for you. You never know what they put inside. You see they put sugar in here. Corn flour, aroma, tomato powder, liquid smoke. No, actually they said smoke flavor. So smoke flavor, I don't know if it's liquid smoke, but yeah. Acid corrector, E331, and caramelized sugar. I'll put the list on the screen for you in case you want to. They, you know, as always, they didn't put the proportions where you have to add this, but this is all the ingredients that this contains. So I normally just follow the instruction on the pack. I follow it like mumu. So that bag is a bit tough. I've rinsed this, so put it in there. You see it, you see it. Yeah, come closer. Yeah, put it in the bag. That's what it says here. Put it in the bag and season it. So open that. This is what it looks like. Yeah. Season it with one pack and then close it and shake. Shake it, baby, shake it, baby, shake it, baby. Shake it, baby, shake it, baby, shake it, baby, shake it, baby. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it till you're happy that it has been well distributed on the chicken wing. So, yeah, I'm happy. So, they said the next thing bake in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius, that's 400 Fahrenheit for those of you in the US, without grill or ventilation. So if your oven has a fan, don't turn on the fan, and don't put it on grill. So put it on bake, like just the bottom heat. So that's my oven tray with baking sheet, lined with baking sheet. Somebody asked me the other day if we must use baking sheet. Please, if you have a gas oven, it's not safe to use baking sheet, please. I have an electric oven, that's why I use a baking sheet. A baking sheet helps me keep the stain of what I'm baking from my oven tray. You know how you guys always ask me, why is your oven so clean? Yeah. So I have an electric oven, so I can use this. For those of you who don't mind using foil, you can use foil if you're if you have a gas oven. But apart from these two, I don't know what else you can use with gas ovens. It's a fire risk when you use this baking sheet with a gas oven because of the naked flame. But here there's no flame, it's just heat with the electric one. So I spread it out. Let me turn on the oven. So I'm just following this recipe like Momo. It's not my recipe, it's a store-bought seasoning. Then I put it in the oven. Here is more information on baking it. You can also bake it in a microwave oven. In a normal oven, you should bake it for 45 to 50 minutes. Yeah, this quantity of chicken wings that I'm making. But in a microwave oven, that's where you bake it for 25 to 30 minutes. Yeah, so if you don't have a normal oven, you have a microwave oven, you can also enjoy this. Yeah, that's great, isn't it? Hey, so how are you all doing? Are you enjoying your weekend? Are you? Cold has come. We put on the heaters for the first time today. It's going to be a very cold winter. Hey, madre. This is the time of the year when I feel like packing my bags and going to Nigeria, then come back after winter. Hey, because in Nigeria we're entering summer now. The rains will soon stop and we'll enter hot weather. Yeah, so let me leave you guys alone. I'll see you on the other side when it's done. I can already smell it. This thing smells heavenly. Yeah, I wish these people put the proportions of the ingredients, but then that would be giving away their secret recipes, isn't it? Yeah, it's so nice and it makes it so easy. I don't have to grind anything. I just pour it, shake it baby, and put it on there, and within an hour we're already munching. It's ready. It looks like it's ready. Ooh, look at that. It's ready. Come tiki tiki tiki. It smells so good. Look. Ooh. Ah, oh dear. You see how clean the oven tray is? Everything goes on the baking sheet. You see? So when I'll just remove this and throw it away. Otherwise, all this thing would have been on this, staining it and all that. Let me show you. Hi. Woo. Oh lo lo lo. Oh lo lo lo. Did you see that? Madre. Have you liked this video yet? Look at that. Look. Just look. Woo. I love it. I'm sure my children can't wait to devour. Madre mia. Oh yeah, come and take. Before your throat will fall off. Come and take. Look at. Woo. Let me taste one for you. Woo. 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 Come see again. Come see. Come see. Come and take. Yes, mommy. Come and say hello.
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 I can't see my face.
This is such a boring hello. Is that how you say hello?
Yes.
Say hello without sleeping.
Hello. Mommy, can we eat this thing?
Yeah, take it to the living room.
And
Take the
Daddy?
drinks.
And Daddy?
Daddy went for a meeting. He will miss this one.
Hey.
What?
Daddy angolo n'ala ma ọ nata. Please, somebody translate in the comments.
Daddy cannot come.
When Daddy comes back, ọhụrụ n'ara. N'ara onye, I don't know. Next time he will learn not to go for a meeting when there's chicken wings in the oven. Bye bye, my chicken wings wait.